Hello, my beautiful besties. It's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. For today's video, I'm super excited to show you that MelodySusie was kind enough to send me another PR, and this is a monthly subscription box. I will have the information really soon here on the screen in case any of you guys are interested. So let's jump right into it. So once you open the box, first of all, the packaging is very beautiful. MelodySusie has great taste when it comes to packaging, and I was so excited when I received this box. I could not wait to show you. So this is how it works. So as you can see on the right hand side of the screen, you can see the monthly prices, and if you want to pay ahead, you can do that, or you can just subscribe on a monthly basis, but those are the price range of the boxes. It is stated that each box may come with different things, so that's pretty much how it works. So my box brought this beautiful bag, and it's a good size. You can add all your nail goodies in here in case you are going to travel. It is very, very soft, and of course it has the name of the brand on the bag, which is really, really nice. So once I get into these goodies, I just want to give my shout out. So shout out to everyone who takes their time to watch my videos. Shout out to everyone who likes, comments, and share my videos. That helps me out a lot here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone who's new to my channel. Welcome to my nail crew, bestie. Thank you so much for joining the crew. Shout out to my moderators, Sugar Eclipse Nails and Nail Crazy Mama. Their links will be available in the description box in case you guys are looking for extra content to watch. And shout out to my Patreons. Thank you so much for your love and support. So as you can see, this is pretty much the price range, and that is if you pay for 3 months. That will be the total price, and the box will be a total $46.99, and the price changes for each time, if you subscribe for 3 months, if you subscribe for 6 months, or if you subscribe for the full year. So they send me a pack of 5 180 grit files, and I also received this baggie filled with goodies, and I will open this and I'll show you everything. So I do hope that you find this video helpful, and just make your own judgment when it comes to the pricing and the items that are included in this box. It is really up to you, bestie, if you want to invest in just getting all your nail goodies from MelodySusie. MelodySusie, it's a great brand. They are great when it comes to their electronics. As you guys know, I am obsessed with their clear acrylic, so it is an investment. So in that baggie, aside from the rhinestones, it also came with some foils. The foils are very beautiful. It came with a gold foil. It also came with a gold and red. One was gold and blue, and the other one was silver. This is another small jar of rhinestones. As you can see, they're very, very beautiful. Definitely perfect for the season. Again, this is an investment. This is, look at who decided to show up on my video. Oh my god, I apologize, but Nebula wanted to say hi. So like I was saying, this is a monthly subscription. If you want to join, you can pay ahead of time for your boxes, and then you'll get different things each month. As you can see, this is a very, very beautiful blue and gold foil. This box is perfect for nail art. I did love the fact that it came with full cover nail tips, just because I am planning on working on a project for Christmas. They might arrive a little bit after Christmas because I am planning on doing some presents for my nieces for Christmas, but I am working on it. So as you can see, I showed you all the information. This jar, I could not open it, so I decided to just give up and show it to you. But as you can see, it is red and gold. Another thing that comes in this box, it is oh, and also the silver. I'm sorry, my apologies, I forgot to show you the silver. So this is a silver foil. Once again, this is perfect for nail art. You can make your own judgment if you want to invest in this. And I was very excited about the goodies. And another thing that you're gonna see are these beautiful iridescent foils. This is perfect for this time of year. Once again, MelodySusie, it is an amazing brand. Thank you so much, MelodySusie, for considering me to do another review for you all. I do appreciate the opportunity, and I do love reviewing your products. So bestie, I will let you continue enjoying watching this video. But before I go, I do want to show you the full cover tips. They are very good in size. So if you happen to have if your thumbnail it's a little bit wide, as you can see, I have product on my nails. I did decided to open the size number 1, and it fit perfectly. It was actually a little bit bigger, but considering the fact that I have you know, product on my nails, I think it fit pretty well. So I think, and they are very sturdy. I did try bending them, and they're pretty sturdy, so they are good quality. Every like product that I have review for MelodySusie, I haven't really have any problems, and if I did, I always let you guys know. I will never recommend anything that I have not tried yet. As you can see, the tips are very sturdy, and they are perfect for nail art. So I'm going to step back, and I'm going to let you enjoy watching the rest of this video. So besties, this is everything that the box included. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this box. You be the judge, and you decide if you want to invest in this, and if you want to get your monthly boxes. Leave me a comment letting me know what your thoughts are on this box. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.